Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be going over how you can create raised text or a raised note in SpaceClaim. So I'm going to start and I'm going to sketch a quick rectangle and pull that up into a solid. So the way I can make a note is by first of all putting it on a plane. So I'm going to select the surface that I want to put a note on, put a plane there, and I'm actually going to move it up a little bit and raise it off that surface slightly. So now that I have that plane, I'm going to go ahead and go to our detailing, and I'm going to go and insert a note. So this is where you can also change the font, change the size of it to whatever you want. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. So you can click to dock the note wherever you want, and then write something quick. How about I am a note? So once you have the note typed, we're going to go back and actually project this onto the solid. So I'm going to click Project to Solid, and then go ahead and click that note. And that will basically project all of the edges that are there onto the solid. You can see it's now there in purple. And once we exit it, we have all those surfaces. So now if I want to create it in 3D, I just have to pull up all the surfaces. So I'm actually going to do that with a nice big box select, and then I have to get rid of these little interior things. And to help me, I'm going to turn off the edges in select, so those don't interfere with my selection, and I can quickly pick the interior things of the A, the O, and the E. So now I can pull up our note, and I'm not going to pull it up too far, I'm just going to pull it up about 1/10 of a millimeter. So now we actually have a 3D raised note. And that could be on a model or somewhere else. But if you wanted that to be just floating out in space, I would just do a split body on whatever you're using and delete the back of it. So now we have a 3D note and 3D lettering in space. I hope this helps in your creation of any 3D letters or notes, and thank you for watching.